Hi, I'm Rachel Reinert. I'm an artist and author, and I have 3 coloring books out. I kind of wanted to take my art further and teach an online coloring course because video is such a great way to show how to do something step by step. Uscreen also has really good compression and can support high quality video. I shot mine in 4K, so it's future-proof. It's gonna look good for years to come. What I also really like about Uscreen is that it's sort of a blank canvas and you can kind of build up what you want on there. You can do whatever you want. So for example, I even have worksheets that my users can download and print out and work on. So I really like that. You can kind of just make it what you want. I really like the monetization of it. You can do a subscription or you can do a one-time payment. If you've been wanting to start your own online course or business, this is a really easy way to go about it. All you have to do is upload your content to the template and it's there, and you can start selling your product. It's just up to you.